This is Kathy. I know you're wondering why I'm out by my garden in the snow at about 10 degrees. It is because I'm learning more about garlic. What happens is garlic, if you plant garlic in the spring, it'll grow, you get one solid head. If you plant it in the fall or when it's still very cold, you will get cloves, which is kind of the point of the whole thing. I'd rather get the little cloves and make sure that they separate like this, but they have to be cold in order to do that. So guess which day I picked to plant garlic. I'm not going to make you watch me poke myself through the snow here and get it all planted. What you do need to know is to plant this end down, this one, and put the pointy end up. So I'm going to plant it in the ground like this, under the snow. Let me get some light on you here. There we are. This is the root end, this is the top end, and it goes into the ground like this, and then it should grow into cloves once the spring comes. So just letting you know that even in winter you can still do useful things with your garden. Thank you. Stay safe and stay well.